One sec. That's better, but something's still off. Much better. So today I'm going to be attempting to make my own chocolates. I'm really hoping that this doesn't take too long because I'm really craving some chocolate right now. So to start, we're going to melt about 1/4 cup of coconut oil in our pan here. And I'm just going to guess this out. I'm not going to worry about getting too exact. Oh God. It's greasy. Oh. All right, that's about 1/4 cup. Next, I'm gonna put in 1/4 cup of sugar, and I'm just using white sugar. If you're wanting to be a little bit more healthy, you can use whatever sugar substitute that you want, whether it's an artificial sweetener or honey or maple syrup, which might be good. Use whatever you got, whatever you want. But I'm using white sugar because I'm not messing around today, man. So there's 1/4 cup of white sugar. We're gonna stir that in. And I think I'm gonna let this heat up a little bit until it gets kind of bubbly. I don't know if it's actually gonna get bubbly, but I wanna heat this up a little bit longer. Just so the sugar can like fully dissolve, you know what I'm saying? So while that's warming up, I'm gonna start putting some stuff away. Because you know what I say about cleaning as you go. You should do it. Now I have a muffin pan here, so I'm gonna line this with some liners, and this is what I'm gonna use for my chocolate form. And I'm not entirely sure how many this is gonna make. We're gonna find out together. So I think I'm gonna line like 6, and that sounds about right to me. I want to add a little extra flavor, a little extra something something to my chocolate, so I'm going to be adding a few different things. So the first is coconut flakes. I'm going to drop a little bit in each of my little tins here. Then I'm going to drop in some walnut pieces. And finally, I'm going to drop in some dried cranberries. My sugar mixture is ready for the rest of my ingredients. So next I'm gonna be adding in 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. I think that's about what I have in here, so I'm just gonna dump the whole thing in. And finally, about 1 capful of vanilla. Ooh, I am making some sort of monstrosity here. Candy making really is a science, all right? And I don't know chemistry. So I'm gonna pour these into my little molds. I'm gonna try and make it stretch between the 6, but we'll see. All right, so here they are. I'm gonna stick them in the fridge now to hopefully have them harden. Wish me luck. All right, guys, and here is our candy. It smells really good. It smells very coconutty. My sugar started to caramelize a little bit, so I got some crunchy bits in there that I'm hoping are actually gonna be a happy little accident, but we gotta try this, so. This is really good! Okay, but seriously, no joke, this is so good. It just has like an array of flavors. It's like chocolatey and crunchy. It's got that nutty taste from the walnuts, and like the sweet little tangy bits from the cranberry. This is so good. Alright guys, but that was all I had to share with you today. I know, it was a very quick video. Well, what can I say? I like to be efficient. I'm not kidding, this turned out really good. I really hope you try it for yourself. If you do, of course, let me know down in the comments what you thought of it. And if you enjoyed, be sure to leave me a thumbs up because I love seeing those. If you've not already, please subscribe to my channel because I would just love to see this channel grow. It would just make me the happiest girl in the world. And that being said, I'm gonna go gorge myself on chocolate now. Okay, bye!